Hello everyone. Welcome to English Online Learning. In this opportunity, we're going to talk about food and beverages. In this slide, you'll see there are varieties of food. I will read them carefully, and if you want to pronounce them, you can simply pause the video and repeat them after me. Cake, hot dog, salt, meat, cheese, chicken, apple, corn, rice, fruit, cookie, bread, tomato, pizza, watermelon, egg, soup, vegetables, onion, salad, chocolate, hamburger, melon, avocado, cucumber, pepper, potato, lemon, banana, sandwich, orange, grapes. Now, it's your turn to repeat them. So here are beverages. I will repeat them, I will read them, and if you want to pronounce them, you can simply pause the video and repeat them after me. Milk, coffee, tea, juice, water, wine, beer, lemonade. Now, it's your turn to repeat them. When we're talking about food and beverages, we're also talking about nouns because food and beverages belong to noun. Nouns can be classified into countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So, what are the differences between them? Look at your left side. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted. Here, we can count the things. We can count the nouns. For example, I eat an apple every day. I eat 2 apples every day. We can count the apple. So, we can say 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, etc. Because apple belongs to countable nouns. Now, look at your right side. Uncountable nouns are nouns that are impossible to count. So here, we cannot count the things. For example, I eat rice every day. Here, we cannot count the rice. So, we cannot say 1 rice, 2 rices, or 3 rices. Those are incorrect. If we want to express the amount of the rice, we can say, I eat a plate of rice every day. I eat 2 plates of rice every day. Because rice here belongs to uncountable nouns. Do you get my point? In order to know the amount of the things, we use quantifiers. Quantifiers are used to show how many things or how much of something we're talking about. And what are they? A, an, and the. We can call them as determiners. A can be also called by indefinite article. It is used in front of singular countable nouns which are non-specific. Non-specific means that it is general. There are more than one in this universe, so we don't know what the speaker meant. Usually, it is followed by a consonant sound. You have to underline it. It's not followed by consonant word, but a consonant sound. For example, a cake, a tomato, a house, a uniform, an. The same as a, it is also indefinite article. It is also used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific, but it is followed by a vowel sound. You have to underline it as well. It's not followed by a vowel word, but it's a vowel sound. For examples, an orange, an apple, an hour, an umbrella. Now, the. It is called determiner, definite article. The is used in front of all nouns. It can be used in front of countable or uncountable noun. The function of the is to describe someone or something is specific or unique. If the articles a and an, they are not specific, but the article the is specific. For example, the earth. There is only one earth here. The world. There is only one word specific. The air. It is also specific. The weather. It is also specific. The moon. There is only one and it is specific. And the sun. It is also specific, etc. Demonstrative. Demonstrative. There are many differences in usage among this, that, this, and those. This refers to singular noun that is near with the speaker, so we can touch it. For example, this is an apple. The apple is close with us. That refers to singular noun that is far from the speaker. We cannot touch it, so we just point to the item. That is an apple. The apple is far away from us. This refers to plural noun that is near with the speaker. The items are more than one, so we can say these are apples. Those refers to plural noun that is far from the speaker. The items are more than one, and those are far away from us. We can say those are apples. Much and many. Much and many are used to describe a large quantity of noun. They have differences in usage. Much. It is placed before uncountable nouns in negative and question forms. For example, we don't have much sugar. This sentence is negative. The word sugar is uncountable noun. Then we have to use the quantifier much. much sugar. Next, do you buy much food? This sentence is question. The word food is uncountable noun. Then we have to use the quantifier much. Much food. Many. It is placed before plural countable nouns in positive, negative, and question forms. For the example, there are many bananas on the tray. This sentence is positive. The word bananas is plural countable noun. Then we have to use the word many. Many bananas. We don't know many people. This sentence is negative. The word people is plural countable noun. Then we have to use the quantifier many. Many people. Do you buy many eggs? This sentence is question forms. The word eggs is plural countable noun. Then we have to use the quantifier many. Many eggs. A lot of and lots of. The same as many and much, a lot of and lots of mean a large amount or number of people or things, but they are commonly used for positive sentences. They are also used before countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Look at the left side. A lot of or lots of plus plural countable nouns. For example, there are a lot of cookies. The word cookies here is plural countable nouns. So the quantifier that you can use whether a lot of or lots of. They bring lots of apples. Apples here is included into plural countable noun. So you can use whether a lot of or lots of. Then look at your right side. A lot of or lots of plus uncountable noun. For example, there is a lot of food. Food here is uncountable noun. So you can use whether a lot of or lots of. They bring lots of rice. Rice here is uncountable noun. So you can use whether a lot of or lots of. From this, a lot of and lots of can be used before countable nouns or uncountable nouns. But they only use in positive sentences. Some and any. Some and any are used to state unspecified amount or number of things. Here, we don't know whether it is a large amount or a small amount. That's why we call it unspecified amount. Look at the left side. Some. It is placed before plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. It is used for positive sentence, requesting, and offering. Requesting means that you ask someone to give you about something. Offering means you offer about the help, you offer about the service or thing to someone. You want to help someone, it means that you offer the help to someone. For example, there are some candies in my bag. The word candies is plural countable nouns. So, because this sentence is positive, then we have to use the word some candies. There is some bread in my bag. The word bread is uncountable noun, and because the sentence is positive, then we have to use the quantifier some. Those two examples indicate that the sentence are positive, whether the noun is countable or uncountable, then we have to use the quantifier some. Next, can I have some water? The word water is uncountable noun, and because the sentence is requesting, then we have to use the quantifier some water. It means that you want to ask water to someone. Do you want some apples? The word apples is plural countable noun. So the sentence is offering. Here you offer the apples to someone. Because the sentence is offering, then you have to use the quantifier some apples. Look at your right side, any. It is placed before plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. It is the same as the word some. Can be used in countable noun and uncountable noun. But any is only used for negatives and question forms. For example, I don't have any apples. I don't have any bread. The word apples is plural countable noun and the word bread is uncountable noun. Both of them are negative sentences. That's why we have to use the word any. Do you have any apples? The word apples here is plural uncountable noun. Do you have any salt? The word salt here is uncountable noun. Because those sentences are question, that's why we have to use the quantifier any. A few and a little. A few and a little are used to indicate that something exists in a small amount. They are not indicating that something is in a large amount or unspecified amount, but they are indicating that something exists in a small amount. Look at the left side, a few. It is used for before plural countable nouns in all forms. In all forms mean that you can use the quantifier few in positive, negative, or question forms. For the example, there are a few burgers left in the shop. The word burgers is plural countable nouns. This sentence means that the burgers are only in a small amount in the shop. Then you have to use the quantifier a few. Next example, I need to talk to you. Do you have a few minutes? The word minutes is plural countable nouns. Here you were asking someone about the small amount of minutes. Then you have to use the quantifier few. Look at the right side, a little. It is used before uncountable noun in all forms. The same as a few in all forms for a little means that you can use the quantifier little in positive, negative, and question forms. For the example, there is a little milk left in the glass. Milk is uncountable noun. This sentence means that there is only a small amount of milk in the glass. Then you have to use the quantifier a little. Next example, may I have a little more coffee? The word coffee is uncountable noun. because this sentence you offer a small amount of coffee, then you have to use the quantifier a little more coffee. How do you do? Do you understand about this topic? I hope so. And now it's your turn. I want you to write two sentences. One sentence use countable nouns, and another sentence use uncountable noun. Write them below, and I want to know how well you understand about this topic. See you next meeting, and thank you.